Just throw what you see out in the bag. Throw some out of the bag in there.
Good job. Oh my gosh.
You're a seagull whisperer, man.
They're going crazy. We went from 0 to, oh my gosh, look at that. What just landed, babe?
That's a pelican. No, Devyn, you're not gonna get to do it if you just do that.
Pelican.
The pelican's coming over here. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get them out of here. The pelicans.
They're gonna attack them.
The pelican will attack Devyn.
They're like, forget the bread, let's just eat the kid.
Devyn.
I'm surprised he's not scared with all these birds flying over him.
Devyn, look at that pelican right there. Look at that big one with the big bill. Look straight out, dude.
That thing could swallow you whole.
Look how big it is.
It's from Nemo, remember?
Throw one out to it.
Remember? The pelican from Nemo. How he can swallow big things.
He's coming.
You gotta throw the whole loaf of bread for him.
No.
So he doesn't eat you.
Not the whole thing, babe. Because I want him to be able to do it.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like this before.
Not at the lake.
No way. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere, ever.
I need to get more in here.
No, let's just sit here and watch now.
No, you don't need more. There's still some on the ground over there that didn't make it to the water. Oh, look, now they're all going to land because he moved
Here
away.
comes the pelican.
Oh my gosh.
Where it is?
That pelican will eat one of them. Maybe not.
Yeah, he came over here for all the action. He probably wanted to see what was going on. Oh no, Devyn, that's going to scare them. Don't do that. They feel threatened if you do that. Put the stick down. Put the stick down or you're going to scare them away.
Yeah, they're not going to come back, dude. That's a different species, it looks like. Or see that one with the black dot on its head? Yeah, that's a different species.
Babe, and it's eating the bread.
Oh, we have more?
This bread is like a year old. Don't eat that bread.
I'm shy. I'm shy.
Smile for the camera, Devyn. Say hi.
Hi.
This way.
Uh-oh, oh no.
What are you doing?
Dude.
Uh-oh.
Nemo.
Glitter in the lake.
Butt crack?
No. Unfortunately.
Oh, watch this. Let's see if it gets it out of the air. Oh.
Throw it at the pelican. Throw a big piece out to the pelican. This is so amazing. We went from 0 seagulls to 1, and then 2 came, and then 3, and they just started coming one by one by one until all these seagulls are here. Look at all the ducks are coming, you guys. The ducks are coming too, from all the way on the other side of the lake. See them way out there.